This is the Seiko Kinetic 5M22-7A80, a perfect fusion of innovation and everyday reliability. Kinetic technology, it converts your wrist movement into electrical energy. No batteries to change, just wear it and go. It features a clean, easy-to-read dial, precise quartz accuracy, and classic 1990s styling. With a stainless steel case and bracelet, this watch is built to last. It feels solid, timeless, and ready for anything. It stores energy like an automatic, but runs with quartz accuracy. You get the best of both worlds, a true hybrid. Need a power check? Press the button and the second hand shows how much charge remains. Simple. Smart. Seiko. This Seiko Kinetic 5M22 isn't just functional, it's a piece of horological innovation from a brand that redefined value and engineering. Reliable. Understated. Tech-forward. This is vintage Seiko at its best.